Yo, what's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Die Trying by PARTYNEXTDOOR, Drake, and Yebba. There's already a couple of tutorials on YouTube, but I just wanted to add my own little twist and composition to it. So this is my version. But I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you the strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description as well as a pinned comment below. So go ahead and refer to that if you need to. But first, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. So I have a capo on the 4th fret, and the chords you need to know is C major 7 played on the 3rd fret, B minor 7, and A minor 7. And here's a breakdown of how to play those chords. All right, y'all, first chord is a C major 7, and we're playing that on the 3rd fret. So we're gonna bar the 3rd fret, and we're gonna put our finger on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string, and it's gonna sound like this. Next chord is a B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're going to put our finger on the 3rd fret of the B string as well as the 4th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. And that last chord is an A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. And that's it. That's exactly how the chord progression goes. And so if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can notice, that A minor 7 is going to get 2 4 counts. Okay. Now in terms of the strumming pattern, this is what you can do to match the song. So we'll take it from the C major 7. We're going to strum down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. So in real time, it's going to sound like this. And we're going to do that same strumming pattern for the B minor 7 and the A minor 7 as well. So here we go at the B minor 7. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Now the A minor 7. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Remember, the A minor 7 has 2 4 counts. So that's exactly how it goes. So from the top, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. 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 And so you just repeat that pattern throughout the entire song, and you'll be A1. Alright, y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that this video helped you out and that you enjoyed my spin on Die Trying. And if you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And since you're here, please go ahead and follow my other social media pages. I have TikTok and Instagram. Both of those will be linked in the description as well as in the pinned comment down below. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and click that video and check it out. And I'll see you guys on the next one.